Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use custom app icons on your iPhone. This is a great way to make your home screen look clean, aesthetic, or personalized to your style. To get started, you'll need the Shortcuts app. Most iPhones already have it installed, but if you don't see it, just download it from the App Store. Once you have Shortcuts open, tap the plus sign in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. In the search bar, look for the action called Open App. Select it, and then choose the app you want to create the custom icon for. For example, maybe you're customizing Messages, Instagram, or Spotify. After choosing the app, look at the top and tap the little drop-down arrow next to the shortcut name. From there, select Add to Home Screen. This is where you'll change the app icon. Tap the current icon preview, and you'll get the option to choose a photo or file. Select the custom icon file you downloaded, whether it came from Pinterest, Etsy, Google, or an icon pack. Once the icon is selected, tap on the text field and rename the shortcut to match the app name, or rename it to anything you'd prefer. Then tap Add, and just like that, your custom icon will appear on your home screen. You'll notice that this creates a shortcut, not a replacement for the original app. So feel free to move the original app into your app library or a folder so your home screen stays clean. Then just repeat the same steps for each app you want to customize. And that's it. You've now personalized your iPhone home screen with your own aesthetic theme. This works in iOS 18 and earlier versions, and you can change icons as often as you want. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment what theme you're going for: minimal, neon, pastel, anime, or something else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.